introducing at NAB some of our latest ruggedized solutions. If you're familiar with LaCie, we're well known in the portable and the desktop hard drive business. Our latest addition to the product family is this new rugged SSD product line. Going to start shipping in 2 flavors. There's the Type-C version that'll give you 950 megabytes a second transfer speed, or a new Thunderbolt 3 version that'll give you 2800 megabytes a second transfer speed. Available in 500, 1, and 2 terabytes. Similar to our old rugged products over here, that gives you the ability to have 7-foot drop, 1-ton crush. These guys here are dust and water resistant. This guy here is actually IP62 rated, so it's actually water repellent. So you can drop it in 10 feet of water for up to 30 minutes and still have all your data. Beyond that, we're introducing we have some nice RAID-based solutions here. This is a 2-bay RAID that goes up to 28 terabytes. And we also have higher-end RAIDs that are larger capacity that give you up to 168 terabytes in a single desktop unit.